Good morning, students. Now I am going to teach 10th Icse shares and dividends. We are left with exercise 3b and I have completed almost 18 problems. Now I am doing 19th from Serna Publishers exercise 3b 19th question. A man sold 400 shares of a company paying 5% at rupees 18 and invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares of another company paying 7% at 12. How many rupees 10 shares did he buy and what was the change in his income? So it's a lengthy question, but if you write the steps it is very easy. A man sold 400 rupees 20 shares of a company paying 5% at rupees 18. So first let us finish off until here what is given. Number of shares, question number 19. Number of shares. What is the number of shares? 400, right? And paying 8% at rupees 18. Face value, in brackets they put parenthesis, that is face value. Face value is rupees 20, right? Paying 5% at rupees 18. Paying 5% means that is nothing but dividend. Dividend is 5% and at rupees 18 is nothing but market value. Market value is rupees 18. These are the given conditions. So already I told you, first whenever you are doing this, you need to write what is given, what are all the conditions given, and then you have to solve the problem. Keep in mind what we have to do also. Here what is given, until here it is quite clear. And invested the proceeds. Again we are coming this new word, invested the proceeds. What is the meaning of this is, already I told so many times, several times I have discussed. Invested the proceeds means number of shares into market value, right? Number of shares into market value. So here already number of shares is given, so you can replace over there. And invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares of another company paying 7%. Again I will write here what are given conditions, you write down. And invested the proceed is and invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares of another company paying 7% at 12. Again here dividend is equal to what? 7%. And market value, new market value is nothing but 12. Here and invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares. So what the meaning of this is? So market value is given 18 and invested the proceed means number of shares into market value, I told no. Here, so first let us calculate this part and this part. Let us go. These are the given conditions. So invested the proceed means number of shares into market value. So these are the given conditions given, and face value is also given in this. And invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares of another company. Here face value is again rupees 10. So this is case 2. So there are two cases, case 1 and case 2. So what is he asking in this? How many rupees 10 shares did he buy? So how many rupees 10 shares did he buy? That is first question. And what was the change in his income? Change in his income. That means dividend, here dividend and here dividend D2. What is the dividend of this? What is the dividend over this one? So apply the basics formula. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares, right? Dividend percentage, that is nothing but 5 by 100 into face value. Face value is 20 into number of shares is 400. So do one thing, 100 cancel, 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. 21s are 25s are 100, 5 1 cancel 400. So here dividend is 400, that is let us represent as T1. Now come back to this. Here what is given is our shares company going a man sold 400 rupees shares of company paying 5% at rupees 18. Here invested the proceeds, underline that word, invested the proceed, and then what I told, number of shares into market price. So this becomes the investment. This becomes the investment. This becomes the investment, new investment. That is nothing but number of shares is 400 into market price. Market value is what? 18. He has given, no? A man sold a man sold 20 shares paying it at rupees 18. Sold means selling. That becomes market value, and invested the proceed. So market value is nothing. Sold. He sold that one. And one more clear cut notation is he sold, he has given. A man sold. That means 18 becomes a market price for this. Right? So investment is equal to 400 into 18. And invested, a man sold, etc. something they are given at rupees 18, and invested the proceed in, again this conditions given. So main thing is here investment is nothing but number of shares into market value. Market value already given as 18. So don't consider this as market value. This is another one. Right? Next is equal to, now again apply this formula. Dividend D2 is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. Right? Dividend percent in this, what is given? 7 by 100 into face value. Face value already they give 10 into number of shares. Number of shares, how will get? Total investment by market value. 7 by 100 into 10 into total investment is what? Total investment already I give, no? New investment. You can write here total investment. 400 into 18 by market value. What is the market value now? 12. Right? So 10 ones are 10, 10 are 100. So 0, 0 cancel you can do. 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 ones are 3 6 are 6 7s are 42. 420. Right? This is the 420. Rupees 420 is the new dividend. Change in his income. What was the change in his income means? Change in income. 420 minus 400, that is rupees 20. And here, how many rupees 10 rupees 10 shares did he buy? How many rupees 10 shares did he buy is this one. Total investment already we have done, and it is a part of the problem. So first bit is total investment is what? 400 into this one already we did know, 400 into 18. That is invested the proceed. That's the meaning, number of shares into market value. That here he is putting, he is selling. Now 400 into 18 by what is that? 12. 4 3s are 12, or else 400 into 18 by 12. How will you do? 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 600. So that means 600 shares. How many rupees 10 shares did he buy? So 600 rupees 10 shares did he buy. That's it. Very simple. Only new in this, nothing new. And invested the proceed already I told. So you have to use this one. And this market price becomes this one. Whatever is given first one. This of the another company paying rupees 10 at 12. Don't consider this rupees 12 is not related to this one. What we are doing. So rupees 12 this is case 2. Face value rupees given as 10, dividend given as market value given 10, sale proceed is this one. So very simple, nothing confusion in this. That's it. Next, two brothers A and B invest Two brothers A and B invest rupees 16,000 each in buying shares. This is last problem of exercise 3B. Two brothers A and B invest rupees 16,000 each in buying shares of two companies. A buys 3% 100 rupees shares at rupees at 80 and B buys 10 rupees shares at par. At par means, what is the meaning of at par? There are three words I told you in the basics. One is premium, one is discount, and the another one is at par. At par is nothing but market price is equal to face value. Discount means market price face value minus that one. And premium means you should add to the face value. Discount means you should subtract to the face value. Right? So two brothers A and B invest 16,000 each in buying shares. What is the investment? 16,000. Two companies are there, A and B, and they give some conditions. Find the rate percentage dividend by. Find the rate. What is asking? If they both receive equal dividend at the end of the year, that means annual income is same. Find the rate percentage dividend by given here. The company B rate percentage is not given, so it is very simple. So total investment is equal to, what is investment? 16,000, right? Next, in buying a company, A buys 3% 100 rupees shares. So A is equal to, what is that? 3%. And face value, A buys 3% 100 rupees shares. Face value is rupees 100 at 80. At 80 means market value is rupees 80. This is first part. Next one. B buys 10 rupees shares at par. This is A and this is B. You can write here B. This is dividend. And here B buys 10 rupees shares at par. B's. Now case 1. This you write as case 2. This is A's. Case 1. Write it as capital letters A. Case B. 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 Write this as put in quotation. B. What is given B? Face value is nothing but rupees. Here 10 rupees share. Rupees 10 share at par. At par means market price is also same. Face value and market price is same. And B buys, that's all. That's all they are given. And investment. Investment is nothing but 16,000. So he is asking, what is missing here? D they give dividend, they give here dividend, they did not give this part. This is missing. That is what they are asking. Find the rate percentage. And again they are given D1, D2, write it. What is given? If they both receive equal dividend, D1 is equal to D2. So both dividends are same. Find the rate percentage, that this they are asking. So very simple. Go for the basis formula. D is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. For this, 3 by 100 into face value is what? 100 into number of shares. Number of shares, do you know number of shares? We don't know here, but we know that number of shares is nothing but total investment by what is number of shares? Number of shares, what will get total investment? Number of shares is equal to total investment by market value. Total investment is 60,000 by market value is 80. D1 is equal to D2. Here they give clearly both dividends are same. So now this one. So X 100 into, find the rate percentage of the dividend received by B. So write the X percentage due to X by 100 into face value is 10 into this one investment. Again same formula, number of shares. Total investment is 16,000 by market value is 10 here. So from this calculate the X value, and 16,000 you can cancel. What else? 100 you can cancel, and 10 also 10 100 you can cancel. 3 by 80 is equal to 3 is remaining by 80 is equal to x by 100, right? So x is equal to 100 into 3 by 80. So cancellations 0 0, 10 8 are 10 3 are 30 by 8. So simplify this one, you will get 3.75. So that's it. 3.75 is the solution. 30 divided by 8. Simple. These divisions I am not going to do this simple division multiplication. Please try to do by yourself since you are in 10th class. And if I do also, it does not look good. So please do it by yourself. Next one. So with this exercise 3A, 3B, complete all the problems I have covered from Serena Publishers. Now we are moving to next section, that is very last one, exercise 3C you may call, or test yourself. They have given, fill in the blanks. Please try to do by yourself. Next, question number 2, exercise 3C or test by yourself, question number 2. So is it clear? Very simple, nothing confusion. Investment given, D1, D2, or given condition given and equate both, you will get the answer. Next one, by investing, question exercise 3C or test by yourself from Serena Publishers. By investing 45,000 in 10% rupees 100 shares, Sharad get 3,000 as dividend. Find the market value of each share. I think this is nothing but revision as well as tough problems. Second one, test by yourself or exercise 3C. By investing rupees 45,000 in 10% 100 shares, Sharad get 3,000 dividend. Find the market value. Straightforward question, just formula you should apply. That's it. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. What is dividend given? Sharad get 3,000. That means dividend 3,000 is equal to dividend percentage. Already gave you 10 by 100 into face value. Already given face value 100 into number of shares. How will get number of shares? Total investment by market value. So 100. This is 3,000 is equal to total investment. Already they gave 45,000 by market value. Market, that is only we have to find now. Find the market price. Market value. I don't know. This is just simple formula you need to remember, and market value is nothing but 10 into 4,500 by 3,000. You simplify this, there ends the solution. So I will be continuing. There are 16 problems. So I will be doing almost all the sums. Please. And I will be teaching little bit fast because we are in exercise 3C. So I will be writing direct steps. Don't be panic, and please refer to the previous classes of shares and dividends. Thank you students, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the blue color icon button and then subscribe it. Share with your friends. Thank you students, have a nice day. Bye.